dog barking all day. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for goat with curly horns. H for hen, where eggs are born. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jellyfish, wiggly and funny. K for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L for lion, roaring on top. M for monkey, swinging high. N for nest, where birds fly. O for octopus, 8-legged swirl. P for parrot, talking to the world. Q for queen with a shiny crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for seesaw, up and down. T for tortoise, crawling on ground. U for umbrella on rainy days. V for van on busy highways. W for watermelon, juicy delight. X for x-ray, showing bones right.